Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Part 2 on the attribute eyedropper, something new to me even. A viewer or subscriber turned me on to this. I've never looked at the attribute eyedropper, the menu bar up here. And if we go size, and you really need to make sure what you want is filled. Like I want the outline. I don't have any other effects. I just want the size and the outline. I'm going to take a copy of that or take a sample, and then I'm going to put it in each one of these. And it's going to not only make the size I want, it's making the same outline I want. Now, with that said, this one is turned at a 45 degree and smaller. So we're going to get the attribute eyedropper. But this time we're going to go size and rotation. We're going to take a sample and it's going to turn them all. As long as you get it in that pot, it's going to turn them all at 40. And okay, you could turn them individually at 45, but you'd have to go up here and then go 45. And the size is some weird number. So you'd have to type in that number with the attribute eyedropper is doing it all for you. I'm off base there. But anyway, it's very, very handy. Let's do that one more time with the other one. Attribute eyedropper. Let's take off the rotation. And let's take a sample of that and go back to our original drawing. And I could see this would be very helpful if you drew something and these squares weren't quite big enough, and then you made it a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller, and you go, man, I wish they were all that size. Attribute eyedropper. And see, it's a weird size, but it's going to make all those the same size. So let's see what size that is. I mean, it is, 3.158. You'd have to go with the ratio lock 3.158 to get that to do it. And then you'd have to do that in every one of them. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.